2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind that it's always trials and tribulations. Child. Kissing in Paris, I guess we could do it in French. Wow. Eating low main is child for now. Child. She got me wildin' out. Rory Italia, child for now. Child.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a DIY hair mask which involves bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar. For the mixture, you're going to be needing a plastic bowl and a plastic spoon, your water, your favorite oil, apple cider vinegar, and bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is a natural detoxifier. It pulls out all the impurities, the product buildup, the toxins from your scalp and hair. It's also packed with minerals that help strengthen your strands and promote healthy hair growth. Plus, it's amazing for balancing your scalp's natural oil. After fetching the bentonite clay into the bowl, I pour some water and then the ACV. Apple cider vinegar, on the other hand, is great for restoring your scalp's pH balance, which is crucial for preventing dryness and itchiness. So if you've been struggling with dry scalp and itchy scalp, this DIY is great for you. With this mask, the clay gets lumpy after you pour the water and ACV, so I'd suggest you go for a stronger spoon to get the right consistency for application. Then I go in with my oil. Today I'm going to be using the amla oil. You can use any oil at all you feel is beneficial for your hair. Hair, I'm actually working on very dirty hair. I've not washed my hair, I've not done anything to my hair, so I have a lot of gunk and flakes, and my scalp is dry. So I start off by sectioning. I've already sectioned, as you can see, and I'm starting off at the back. I spritz a little bit of water to detangle my hair, free my hair of the knots, and after that I go in with the mask.
Bitch, my grandma's dead, so ain't nobody praying for me. I'm on your head. Aye. 30 millions later, know the feds watching. Auntie on my telegram.
Guys, this is why I mentioned to mix together the right consistency, because look at how I'm suffering to apply the mask. You wouldn't see, but I was regretting not mixing it well. So if you're going to be using this mask, try your possible best to mix well for the right consistency.
That's why you lady ass rap niggas better know. If I gotta slap a pussy ass nigga, I'ma make it look sexy. If I gotta go hard on the bed. Don't know when my nights became so complicated.
So yeah, I finished the left side of my hair and went ahead to finish the right side. So this is me checking out the length of my hair. Actually, I know my hair is long, but I've never sucked it in. Yes, girl, length, baby. And now you can see the curls popping out. I've never really seen my curls out like this. It might not be too curly, but I know my hair now. I just noticed a significant change in my curls. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. This is how much was left after applying the clay all over my hair. I decided to go ahead and apply it on my face because bentonite clay has some properties which are really great for your skin as well. It'll be best to do your own research to know whether this is compatible with your skin or not, because some people might have allergic reactions. After washing the clay off my hair turned out great. As you can see, there's some residue, some white clay residue on my hair. I don't mind, that's actually fine for me. So I went ahead to do my natural hair wash day routine. The link is over here. You guys can watch that to see how I wash my hair. And now, if you watch this video up to this point, what are you waiting for, my dear? Anyways, if you're new on my channel, my name is Bessie, and on this channel I do type 4C hair growth as well as lifestyle vlogging content. So if you're interested in stuff like that, do stick around. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most importantly, subscribe, baby. Bye.
You got a 2-day trial before I take back my time and make you pay. 30-day trial before I make my mind that it's always